Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to print the Meowl from Brainrot. The Meowl model was created with the help of AI and now I've added it to Blender. I made some adjustments, but I was worried that it wouldn't stand properly on its small legs and thin tail. So I decided to add a bit of stability to the model using a sphere. To make sure the model prints evenly and stands well, the base needs to be flat. We'll do this using a cube and Boolean operations. Then I'll export the model as an STL file and move on to Cura. Subscribe and tell me in the comments who I should print next. See you next time.